Maybe you've been curious about what this Arduino thing is, or perhaps you've wanted to build electronics projects as a hobby for school or part of your job. Or maybe you have big plans for your startup and you need some help building that widget for your Kickstarter video. My name is Sean Hemel, and as an electrical engineer, I've designed and built libraries for the Arduino over the years and built countless projects for it as well. In my Arduino Fundamentals class, I'll take you from beginner to designing and building your own projects. By the end of the course, you will have constructed a larceny scanner, a burglar alarm, an adorable wall-avoiding robot, and a light that responds to the local weather based on information from the internet. Whether you're just starting out in electronics or looking to level up your making skills, the things we cover in this course will help you do things like spice up your next costume with interactive lights, make toy robots, make bigger robots, automate parts of your daily routine, and create art projects that respond to weather updates from the internet. If all this sounds good, then you're in the right place. Let's get hacking.